Welcome students. Now in this video I am going to explain you the concept of area. Now I will explain you the first sum, that is a rectangular hall is 12 meter long and 6 meter broad. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall and how many would be required if the tiles of side 15 centimeter were used? Okay, first thing is that they have given you one rectangular hall, and the hall length and breadth they have also mentioned, and its flooring is to be made of a square tile, means you have to put a flooring in that hall, and this flooring side is 30 centimeter, but the side tiles is flooring tiles is in square shape. Okay, now see, first we have to find out the area of a rectangular hall. Now see, for that, case 1 is what? Area of a rectangular plot. Okay, now length is 12 meter and breadth is 6 meter. Okay, now see, both are in a same measurement, means there is no conversion, means length into breadth of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. Now 12 into 6, 12 into 6 is how much? 70 72 say square meter, because they mention in meter, means you have to write meter. If they mention in centimeter, you have to write centimeter. Okay, now see, here we have to do the conversion, because they have mentioned that it is a side of a square is 30 centimeter, means 30 centimeter you have to convert it into meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and if you want to convert centimeter into meter, means you have to do the division. You have to divide that number by 100, means the number becomes 30 divided by 100, and the answer will be 30 centimeter is equal to 3 upon 10, because this 0 and this 0 will be cut, and the answer will be 3 upon 10 meter. Now they have the side of the square tile is it what? 3 upon 10 meter, because we converted centimeter into meter. Okay, now see the next part. Side of area of a square tile, area of a square formula is what? Side square, and we already got the side is 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10 square, means 3 upon 10 multiplied by 3 upon 10 in square meter, and 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10 means 9 upon 100. Okay, but what you have to find out? You have to find out how many tiles are required to flooring the rectangular hall. For that, formula is what? Area of the plot divided by area of a square tile. Now area of a plot already we find that is 72, and area of a square tile is what? 9 upon 100, means 9 upon 100 means 72 divided by 9 upon 100, it will be 9 upon 100 means what? Multiply by 900 upon 9, and 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, means 8 into 100, it becomes 800 tiles. How many tiles is required? 800 tiles is required to cover the entire hall. 800 tiles will be required to cover the entire hall. Okay, now see the next case. Next case is what? They told you that side square tile of 15 centimeter, square tile of 15 centimeter, already they have mentioned 30 centimeter. Now here 15 centimeter means, again we have to do the conversion, centimeter and meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 15 centimeter means how much? Again you have to do 15 divided by 100, and it becomes 3 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. Okay, now your answer is 3 upon 20 100. Now see, area formula is what? Side square. Again 3 upon 20 into 3 upon 20, it becomes 9 upon 400. It becomes 9 upon 400. Okay. Now see, now see, 72. Already we have to find out number of tiles, means area of a plot divided by area of a tiles. Area of a square circular tiles. Area of a plot is what? 72 divided by 3 upon 20 into 3 upon 20. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9 upon 400. Otherwise you can write it as a 9 upon 20 into 20. Okay. Now 72 divided by 9. Again it will be now 9 8s are 72. 8 into 400. 20 into 20, it becomes 400. 8 4s are 32. 0 tiles, means your answer is 3200 tiles. Therefore 3200 tiles will be required to cover the entire hall. Means if the tiles measurement is 15 centimeter, you require 3200 tiles, and if the tiles is of 30 centimeter, means you required 800 tiles. Okay, this is all about our today's session. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. Very thankful to you for watching my video.